Hello, my dear friends. My name is Paul and I am from Plotted. I'm truly excited to release this new course from Plotted, and this is Final Cut Pro X. As you might be knowing, Final Cut Pro is a product from Apple and this is a powerful video editing tool. Some of the popular movies are created by this tool, so you understood how powerful this is going to be. So if you are a video creator or if you wanted to become a video creator, please consider enrolling this course. And why? There are a couple of reasons which I wanted to share with you. One is this is of 4.5 hours of intense training. If you are a beginner or an intermediate user, no worries. It will help you to become a professional video editor in this 4.5 hours of training. And number two, in almost all the videos we have used live examples. Number three, I have used Apple's user manual for Final Cut Pro as a backbone in preparing this course. So you can expect a good coverage of almost all the techniques and tools in FCP. And the fourth reason is all the notes are available in the website plotted.org. After watching each section, you can come here and refer to the notes. And interestingly, in each section, you can find out the keyboard shortcuts that you have learned. So at any point of time in the future, if you wanted to come back and refer to it, it's here. You don't need to write down anything. Interesting, right? So without wasting time, let us briefly consider each section and let's see what are you going to learn in this complete video course. We will begin the course with the installation of Final Cut Pro. Then we'll go and see the interface of Final Cut Pro. After that, we will proceed with importing your movie clips, pictures and media files. The word import seems very simple, but we are going to see the in-depth features and easy methods and different options in importing. Next section covers organizing the files that you have imported. That's a key step because that saves a lot of time in your movie editing. Once after that, we will get into the core of this course, that's editing your clips. First, we will see project creation because that's going to be the basic element. That's where you set your resolution like 4K and other video settings. That will help you to add your first movie clip for editing. Coming to section 4, we will continue with our editing techniques. We will go over how to change the length of a clip, trim and cut one or more clips, extend a clip and move a clip within the timeline. You will also learn about various editing tools like select, trim, position, range selection, blade, zoom and snap, and learn how to use each of these tools. And again, you're going to learn how to perform different edits with different editing techniques like raw edit, slip and split edits, slide edits. And then we will cover the time code. Time code is very important because you work a lot with the time codes. And you will see markers. You will add different type of markers and perform certain tasks with the markers. And in section 5, we are going to learn about sound editing techniques. You will learn basics like adjusting your sound volume levels and loudness, how to do fade in and fade out effects, and you will learn interestingly adding more sound effects like echo. Yes, you will learn all these techniques in this audio editing section. Coming to section 6, you will see how to include titles, credits and lower thirds in your movie. Then we will look at how to personalize the text that you have added by changing its opacity, location, animation, font color, and we will see 2D and 3D animation fonts which are available in FCP. Now we are going to section 7. Here you will observe a variety of effects. One of the main strategies used by video experts to boost the innovation of their film is by adding transition. In effects, we are going to see the transition. After that, you will resize, cut and crop your clips using the transform controls. With the help of Ken Burns animation effect in Transform, we can produce pan and zoom effect. Additionally, we shall examine in this part how to censor someone's face or any other sensitive confidential information by adding effects. Section 8 covers generators. We will see how to add basic shapes like circles, square boxes, stars, and how to highlight a text or a box. All these things you will learn in the generator section, and we will add beautiful backgrounds, solid colors, textures that can be used to introduce your movie in the initial screens. Section 9 of this video course deals with animation of your movie, and we will see keyframing. That's one of the key elements to learn as a professional video editor. And this is important because we are using keyframes to create animation in your movies. That's going to be interesting. Have you ever wondered how movie creators are using time-lapse effect or slow motion effect in their movies? You will learn that technique in section 10 called retiming. Section 11 is also another technique that is mostly employed in the movies called keying, which means you might be recording your movie inside a studio, but for a user it may appear that you are in a different location. Yes, that's because of the technique called keying. You will learn that in section 11. And finally, section 12 deals with exporting your final movies into different formats. So that's what you're going to learn in this complete course. So what are you waiting for? Please get ready and enroll this course.